People will not buy your products until they know, like, and trust you. But how do we make this happen? Well, first, they get to know you from social media. They actually discover you there. 2, if they like what they see, they're gonna start liking you because you provide them with value. But trust, that's a toughie. My wife and I have sold more than $800,000 worth of digital products purely via email. So we realized email is one of the ways we can provide trust. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can build an email funnel in Kajabi that sells your products. You might have tried to sell your products on social media and might even realize that that's not exactly working, is it? It's because on social media, it's a place where people discover you and you want to give out. You are serving an audience. All of the selling is done on the back end, but for your people to be in your back end, you need one specific thing: a lead magnet, a free resource that will bring your watchers from the social media platforms into your ecosystem. And for that to happen, you need an opt-in page. Let me show you some examples of opt-in pages that we created for our own business so that you get a sense of what you need as well. An opt-in page that promises a free resource that is directly related to your paid products. For example, if your paid products have got 10 steps, you can take 1 step out and give it out for free. Let me show you some examples. This was the first lead magnet we created. It's a 30-day workout plan. It's directly in line with what we sell because we sell programs that are longer than 30 days. On social media, we post self-standing videos, so this is a great value add for our audience. Then we did another 5-day workout plan because we wanted to refine on the first one that we created to be more in line with what our audience actually wanted. As you can see, these pages only have 1 button. They're not very long. They just explain what the benefits of downloading the guide, and there you go. There's a call to action to get name and email. That's it. Another example is the sales page framework that we use to ethically sell more than $500,000 worth of digital products that you can download for free. Do you want it? Just click there and you download it. Or maybe it could be a masterclass on how to sell digital products with a simple lead magnet and email. Kind of like what I'm doing in this video, but this is a longer and more in-depth version of that. Or maybe something like this that we built for one of our clients. This is how to master the art of open houses for real estate professionals and how they can get their first clients. This is actually part of her coaching program, but she took it out and gave it out for free, and she's generating hundreds of leads with this one. The point is, give something valuable for free. And this is not the end of the story because your people are going to be excited to download your free resource, but you haven't earned their trust yet. They still expect spam from you. They expect you to sell them something right away. And you need to do this with elegance. So what happened afterwards, it's even more important. What we've done all these years is after we created these valuable products, free products, we worked really hard on email marketing because we wanted our audience to trust us and we wanted to sound like humans, not like spammy people. So when you create a lead magnet, also make sure that you create an email sequence, like a 7-10 days email sequence, to follow up with them, not to sell them, just to follow up on all the steps that they're required for them to get some kind of results that you also explain in a free resource. Let me show you an example of email sequence we created for our 5-day workout plan. As you can see, our first email is to actually deliver the PDF, the guide. And in fact, it's got the highest percentage of click-through rate. But then within the next 7 days, we want to inspire them to take action. We want to crush self-limiting beliefs. We want to even give them suggestions on how they can take care of themselves. And then we want to ask them what's stopping them and give them a little push if they feel like quitting. All of these pages, automations, email sequences, they've all been set up within Kajabi, which is the software that we use to run all of our online businesses. If you want to start building your email funnel in Kajabi, which is the software that we use to run everything, I can give you double the amount of free trial if you use the link in the description box below. Not only you're gonna get double the trial, which is 30 days, but we're gonna give you a jump start kit, which is a mini course for you to set up your Kajabi account perfectly from the get-go. We're gonna give you a sales page template you can use to start writing your sales pages. And if you decide to stick with Kajabi for more than 30 days, we also give you sales page templates that you can drag and drop into your account and have a beautifully designed sales page that you can fill up with the copy that you've written using our guide. You wanna start right now? Link in description. Now, all of the 99% of these emails are mainly adding value and encouraging, inspiring, and crushing limiting beliefs. But we also use the PS to give gentle call to action for people that are sold, they started to trust you, and they also want to take the next step with you. It always has to be visible for people that are ready to buy from you. For example, after our 5-day workout plan, the most sensible step for us was to introduce them to a course. It's a 4-week course that it's a no-brainer just to become a paid customer. So $27 is not much, but after people commit with the money, they are literally investing in themselves, and it's the clear indication that they now trust you. But your next step might be different. It's maybe a consultation with you. It's maybe 1-hour coaching or 90-minute coaching. It's maybe an invitation to a membership. It's maybe an invitation to a cohort for your next coaching program, group coaching program. Always put yourself in your reader's shoes. What would be ideal for them to jump on to get even more results after they downloaded your free resource? Think of that little step and add gentle CTAs in your emails. What happens after this email sequence runs out and people didn't buy? Well, guess what? They don't trust you yet. Or maybe it's just bad timing. It's nothing about you that stops them from buying. So what do? Every single week, or even more than once a week, you can send an email broadcast to all of the people that downloaded your free resource, adding even more value. Talk about the results that you got to your clients. Talk about the results you got to yourself. Talk about the frustration that you've had in the past and how you fixed it. Talk about what they're going through right now so that they can relate to you. Talk about the limitations, the mental mindset limitations that you've had in the past. Always share your point of view and don't tell them what to do. Share what you did and how you fixed your situation and the results you got. That's how you inspire people. The PS is the most read part of each email. So always have an important call to action in the PS because it's gonna make you so much money and it's gonna give you the impact that you want to have in this world. We usually have multiple email sequences attached to different behaviors. Even after people buy something from us, we have a different email sequence to onboard them to the next sensible step to work with us. So email marketing is not there to get you a transaction. It's there to build relationships. If you have no idea what to write in your emails, it's normal. But my suggestion is just try and be yourself. But you want to put some strategy into it, otherwise people will not buy from you. We shared some of the strategies that we used in our email marketing that we've been using for years that have been very successful, and we explain all of our process in this video right here.